In this video, we are going to fix no longer have access to this option is not showing while you are recovering your hacked Facebook account. When someone hack your Facebook account, immediately that hacker change your all login details including your email, phone number or any password. Since we don't have any recovery option above mentioned, we need that option no longer have access to this. This error occurs when you use the mobile version of Facebook. If you visit official Facebook page, they have posted about this issue. They are aware of this issue as well as they are trying to fix this issue as soon as possible. Until that, you can use the different version of Facebook. Like you see in the video, these are some different version of Facebook. Every version that has no longer have access to this option. If we have that option, we can go forward. After that, we can add new email address or phone number as well as we can create a new password. Finally, we can get back our hacked Facebook account. As well as we are going to address the second issue, we don't recognize your device. Like that, in this video, we are going to fix all the errors that can occur while you are recovering your Facebook account. There are different ways to recover your account. You can use your Facebook application, Messenger or Instagram application. As well as you can use the light version of this application. If you want to find other methods to recover, you can find all the video links in the description. If this method didn't work for you, you can try out other methods too. To recover your account, now we are going to use your mobile browser. Here, you don't want to use the same browser that I'm using right now. Just open your default web browser. After, tap the search bar. Then you have to type and search hacked and fake account Facebook Help Center. We are going to Facebook Help Center and we are getting help to recover our account using their links. After searching, you have to select the very first search result, hacked and fake accounts Facebook Help Center. After you have to select that search result, then you will be redirected to this page. Then I will scroll a little bit up. Here you have to select under hacked account, recover your account if you think your Facebook account was hacked or if someone is using it without your permission. Now I will scroll a little bit up. Here basically you have two options. First, we will try with get started option. The second option, you can see visit this page. These are two different methods but it does the same task. Those will help you to find and recover your account. So, before you go through with the second process, now we are going to try out our first method, get started. If this method didn't work for you, I will move to the second method. So, tap get started. After that, you will get this window. Here, you have to answer these few questions. The first one, if you think that your Facebook account was hacked, we can help you to recover it. First, can you tell us what's happening? Select the first one, someone else gained access to my account. After that, second one, sorry to hear that your account has been hacked. Are you able to log into that account? Select the second one, no I can't log in. After that, third one, do you have to access the phone number or email address associated with the account? Select, no I don't have access to phone number or my email address on the account. After giving these answers, the first one, someone else gained access to my account. No, I can't log in. No, I don't have access to my phone number, email address on the account. After selecting these answers, you will get this recovery link. facebook.com/login/identity. I will tap that link like this. Then you will get this window. Here I will tap search by email address or name instead. In some case, if you can't find this link, I will put this link in the video description too. Here you can see there are three different options. The first one, you can try out with your mobile number. If hacker has changed it or if you don't add any mobile numbers, you can select old email address. I highly recommend you to first you try out with your old email and mobile number because you can build a trust with them. For recovering your account, it will involve both Facebook AI as well as Facebook team. That means both peoples and machines. So you have to build trust with all these parties. If you can enter your old email address, phone number or any password that you created within last year, you can verify or you can confirm this account really belongs to you. Otherwise, they think this is another hacker. So if you don't have any other method, hacker has changed your old email address and phone numbers, you can try out with your full Facebook name. You can follow my method too. Enter your full Facebook name like this. After entering your full Facebook name, tap the search button. Then Facebook will suggest a full list of accounts which have the same name, like you see in the video. Now you can see a full list of accounts. Here most of the time you can find your account at the top of the list. In my case, there are many accounts doesn't have any profile picture. So I can't identify my account or hacker has removed my Facebook profile picture. If you face this kind of situation, all you have to do is scroll all the way to the bottom and select I'm not within this list. In the next window, they ask to enter one of your friends' full name. Sometimes they might ask enter your birth month or your current city. In my case, it asks to one of my friends' name. Enter any friend's name that on your profile. Then tap the search button. After that, Facebook will exactly show your account. You can see this is my account. Since I don't have access to my email address, I can't get any login code. So I will select try another way. You can see like earlier, it has only two options. Either get code via email or enter password to login. So this method didn't work for us. You can see it here. No longer have access to this button is not available for me. In your case, most probably you might have this option. If you have that option, just tap it and go forward and follow all the instructions. As well as you can skip the next part of this video and move to or jump into the last part. If you couldn't find that option like me, don't worry, as we are here to help. Let's move to our second method. To do that thing, it is better you can open a new tab by tapping the plus icon or tap three dots, then select new tab. After opening, tap the search bar. Then you have to type and search this word, report compromised Facebook account, this one. After searching, you have to select the very first search result, report compromised account under m.facebook.com/hack. Then you will get this window. Here you can see this notice. If you believe your account has been compromised by another person or virus, please click the My Account is Compromised button below. We will help you to log back into your account so that you can regain control. So you have to tap this button, My Account is Compromised, in blue color. After tapping, you will be redirected to this window. Here, even in this window, it has little notice. To get back into your account, enter your current password or an old password. If you don't think that your Facebook account was hacked, you can cancel this process. So they ask to enter your current password or an old password that you create within last year. Now listen to me very closely. If you want to get back that option no longer have access to this, you have to switch this mobile version into desktop mode. To switch to desktop mode, tap three dots in the top right corner. Then you will see this feature called desktop side. To connect to desktop mode, you have to check this option, desktop side. After checking, you can see your browser will be converted into desktop mode. Still you are not done because you can see your web browser URL still is m.facebook.com. M mean mobile. So you have to use the www.facebook.com or web.facebook.com. So you have to change the URL of this web page. Tap the URL, then to change it, tap the pencil icon next to first URL. After that, it will allow to change your URL. So swipe all the way right to find the beginning of this URL. Now you have to remove the word M. Like this, you can remove the word M. After removing M, you have to type www, then you can see now your URL should be www.facebook.com/hack. Then To go to that URL, tap the first URL, then you will be moved to that web page. Here I will zoom in. You can see I got the same page that we got earlier in desktop mode. You can see like earlier. Now tap my account is compromised. If you try to recover your account earlier, after tapping that, you will get this kind of window. Here they ask to enter current or old password. Since I don't have that, you have to tap not you button in blue color. Then you will get this find your account. So now on we can restart our recovery process from the beginning. Then I will zoom in like this. Here you can see this notice. You have indicated that your account has been hacked. To get back into your account, please identify yourself. If you don't think that your account was hacked, you can cancel this process. Since our account was hacked, we have to find or identify our account. Here they ask to enter your email address, phone number. Here first I invite you to find your account using your old email address or phone number. If you can't find your account or hacker has changed your login details, you can find your account your full Facebook name. Like this, enter your full Facebook name, then tap the search button. After searching, you will get a full list of accounts which have the same name. In this list, most probably the first one is yours. As well as I want to mention, while recovering your account, it is better if you can turn on location permission and also allow to manage your contacts and phone calls. Using those details, Facebook can exactly find which account belongs to you. But somehow, if you can't find your account within this list, scroll all the way to the bottom. At the bottom, you can see this blue color button. I'm not in this list. Just tap that button if you can't find your account within this list. Then you will be redirected to this page. Here they ask to enter one of your friends' name or your birth month or your city name. Here they ask my one of friends' full name. After entering any friend's name on your Facebook profile, tap search. Then you can see reset your password window. Here you can see, I will zoom in. I have that option called no longer have access to this. This is the option we need. You can't find this option using mobile version. But if you change the version or change the URL of your web page, definitely you will get this option. Even using the web version, if you can't find out this option, you can change the URL into business.facebook.com or badge.facebook.com or mbasic.facebook.com. These are different versions of Facebook, but you should not use m. or mobile.facebook.com. Mobile version doesn't have this feature. To recover your account, now just tap no longer have access to this button. Then you will be redirected to this web page. Here, they will provide 3 instructions or 3 steps to recover your account. As well as now I'm going to show you how that error can happen. Now I'm using web.facebook.com. If you use the mobile version, m or mobile.facebook.com, you will get this error. So you should not use mobile version of Facebook. So you have to use www.facebook.com or web.facebook.com. As well as you can use batch.facebook.com, mbasicfacebook.com or business.facebook.com. As well as you have to keep in mind you have to turn on desktop side or desktop mode. After that, you will get this recover page. So these are the steps to recover your account. And also, I will divide this video into 2 parts. This is the first part. If you want to watch the second part, you can click this end screen video and come on over. Or I will put the second part in my video description. You can go and check it. And also, this is one way to recover your hacked Facebook account. There are a lot of ways to recover your account. You can use your Instagram application too, as well as you can use the light version of Facebook application. If you want to learn other methods too, you can find all the video links in the description. So see you in next part. That's it. Later.